the Lord created heaven and earth and created elements, he also created the ability of releasing the energy from ordinary natural water. Now, what he had shown me was that, in fact, that if I would set up a voltage zone on the opposite side of the water molecule, and if I would expose these voltage zones to a water molecule, a phenomena happens. And what takes place is that the hydrogen atom will become positive electrically charged. The oxygen atom will become negative electrical charge. And once the water molecule becomes electrically charged, then on the opposite polarity attraction, anyone ever hear that? Law of physics? Opposite charge will attract, like charges will repel. On the opposite charges of attraction, the hydrogen atom being positive electrical charge will be attracted to the B+ voltage zone, and the oxygen being negative electrically charged will be attracted to the B+ electrical voltage zone. And if you're switching off the amps to prevent consumption of amps or consumption of power and allowing voltage to take over in a dead short condition, then voltage will absolutely influence the dissociation of the water molecule.